Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Batiklan. The local time is 53 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon, and the date today is February 16, 2024 on a Friday.
Yeah.
Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions before deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so.
Smaller?
Remain seated until your row numbers have been called for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, such as wheelchair, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Anitan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened while waiting for your row numbers to be called for deplaning. Thank you.
So that's the windmill. Yeah.
Also, we would like to inform our passengers that we'll be using air stairs for deplaning. For your safety, please mind the gap and hold onto the handrail while deplaning. For safety and security reasons, loitering and picture taking are strictly prohibited near the wings and engine of the
This actually
aircraft.
looks like a
Thank you.
tropical island.
Yeah.
Not like where we live.